over the explain everything. Okay, we're going to go ahead and learn how to create a video. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my explain everything app down at the bottom. The first thing I want you to do is look at the gear at the top right and go to the accounts and make sure you're logged into your Google Drive so when we upload it, there won't be any problems there. Okay. Right, next thing, go to the top left and we're going to create a video. This is a template. We have 4 templates. You have the background and then the colors that you can choose from for the templates. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one here. Alright, next thing, get this out of the way. Oops. Alright, couple things on the side. Here are your tools on the side. Alright, the first thing I'm going to show you is this little, it looks like a bullseye. If you hit the bullseye, okay, that'll bring up, if you hold it, it'll bring up certain things, and these are pointer tools that you can use. And I use the arrow a lot, but I'm going to use the hand right now for today. Okay, and this will help you point to something when you're talking through your video. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is this first, the pen here. If I hit the pen, okay, that's going to allow me to write. Okay, and right now it's in black. I can change it to red. Okay, fairly easy. Also, if you hold down the pen, okay, it lets you change the width. So I can change the width of my pen. I'm going to go back, but yeah, you can change the width of your pen, help you some. Okay. Now, below the pen here, okay, oops, not that one yet, is the A. Okay, the A is going to let you type a text. Okay, so the A, and just click anywhere in your box and you can type something. Oops. Right. And then the blue arrows here off to the side, this will let you make your text box larger or smaller based on how much space you want it to take. You can also center it, make it go to the right or back to the left. Okay, it's up to you, it's all right there. If you hold down the A, alright, you can change your font size, your font, and if you want a border around your text box. The next thing that we're going to look at is changing colors of your pen. Down here, you have black, red, and blue. These are the colors that come with the template. But if you hold a color down, okay, you get a spectrum here, and you can change this. Okay, we can go and change it to the blue again or yellow. Alright, we can do anything we want. So pink, okay, and then click out, and you're writing in pink. Let's go back to the black. Now the next one, you can erase. This is the eraser. And you can erase. Again, that one there. We just went over this one. Next thing here, when you get out of all your codes here, up at the top, you notice that one comes automatically, like right here. Right? When I click out of everything, and this allows you to take things and move them. You can pinch your fingers together, you can make it smaller, larger, you can rotate things around, right? And then you can go ahead and click on something else and do the same thing. Small, large. Okay. Now this little box over here by the A, I didn't want that, so I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to hit the X, then click on the box, and it comes up with a little X. If I hit that, it'll delete that out. I didn't want that. Next, in here, right by, under the A, we have this little, it looks like a paper with a plus on it. If we click on that, that is how we're going to upload pictures, videos, a file, browser, a new picture you can put in a new video, or existing sounds. And we'll do that in your video. The next one we're going to look at is here, right above the A. It has a paper with an arrow and a little circle. If we click on that and hold it, this will come up. It has a circle, an arrow, and this will draw things. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to change my color real fast. I'm going to draw a box. Okay. So I have a box here. Okay, you can draw circles, you can draw an arrow. Okay. Now you notice the top things, I can move it and it goes over page here. Okay. But what if I wanted in the background? Okay. If you click and hold this little box that has dotted lines around it, you click that and then you click on the box, it'll allow you to do things. It'll allow you to copy and paste it, duplicate it. If you copy it, you can take it and paste it onto another page. Right now we're just on one slide. Okay? So we can copy it. Alright, and then I can go off here and paste it. Now I have two. Okay? And again, if you use two fingers, you make it large or small. If you put a finger on both of them, you can move them both at the same time. Alright, the other thing you can do, if you click the box and go back, you can move it and send it forward or back. Oops. Come on. Okay, so I sent my box to the back, so now page is in front. Right. Now, we're not going to do everything on one slide, so the next thing I want to show you is right above the pen here. It's a page with a plus. This will give you a slide. When I hit this, watch down here. See how it says slide 1 of 1? When I hit up here, I now have slide 2 of 2. So now I'm on another slide. If I want to go back, I hit this back arrow and it'll take me back to my first slide. If you hit it again, now you have 2 of 3. So you have 3 slides. If you keep, that'll take you back and forth. Okay. Now on the arrows next to the 3 here, if I click on this, this will show me my 3 slides. I can change the template in the middle. So let's say I want to go back with the green background. Okay, I changed my template. I'm going to go back. Right, let's go back to the first slide. Down here with the red dot down here, this is going to be where you record, and over here has the time for you. Okay. So I'm just going to record something really fast, just while I'm talking. Explain everything is good for teaching people how to do problems. Explaining something, you can import videos, you can import pictures. Okay, so now it took 11 seconds. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is if you click and hold the arrows right here, that'll go through and you can see your recording. It'll take you back to the beginning. You can hit play and you can listen to yourself. Now if you mess up, you can stop and re-record over what you recorded, and it'll tell you, are you sure you want to do this? Well, I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to. You can also, over here off to the side, you can lock. See, there's an unlock. I can lock it, and now nobody can change anything, or I can't accidentally delete what is there. Right down at the bottom, go ahead and get right down here at the bottom, these 4 things, okay, is where you're going to manage it. This first tool is where you're just going to upload it, almost like a PowerPoint. It won't have any audio recording. The second tool is what we're going to do. We're going to upload it onto your Google Drive. This one here is going to be saving it, okay, and we can go ahead and save it. I want to put this. We're always going to save it with our last name. And then I'm just going to put EE for explain everything. And I saved it. This house is your home button, so it goes back and see there's my my video. I can go ahead and click that and get back into it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this one here, which is upload. So if I click on upload, alright, you can upload it as a movie roll, you can upload it to YouTube, or you're going to go more. We're going to go more. Now here, if you look down here, you can go to iTunes, Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, and that's where we're going to go. So we're going to go to Google Drive, and I'm going to upload my or export my video. So here are all my folders. I'm going to go ahead and put it in iPad period 4, right? And I'm going to put it in Intro to iPads. So now I'm going to hit export. Now here, make sure you name it again. I'm going to go ahead and click the X, and I'm going to go Holbrook, and then E. Hit OK, that's the name of my movie. Now this one is not going to take long because I had a whole 11 seconds. If you have a 5 to 10 minute video, it might take 3 to 5 minutes to upload this. And you just have to wait. You cannot get out of the app when this is compressing. Okay, now it's taking it to Google Drive. Again, don't get out of the app while it's doing this. Okay. Alright, uploads a success. I'm going to say OK. Make sure it's saved. And we're done. You guys have a great day.